Hello guys, welcome to our channel Crypto Diaries. Today another ICO I will be discussing about Autoblock. So this is the website. Basically Autoblock is a standalone solutions set to revolutionize the automotive sector. So here you can see pre-ICO sale starts in 28 days. Uh, Now coming to their white paper where this is the Autoblock is a revolutionizing the automotive sector through blockchain technology. The aim of this project is to connect and secure the automotive industry with cryptocurrency, which is adopted by car dealers worldwide. Decentralizing the supply of data and information available under the automotive industry and providing an accurate live car details to car dealers and buyers. This is a one-stop solution to both for vehicle purchase, data, and valuation access. They have their sales portal available named as autocoincars.com. Now, coming to their problem and solution part, where the main problem where cryptocurrencies are not using as a mainstream adoption, which means first they must convert in fiat currencies and then do further tasks. For this, Autoblock has come up with the solution by creating a platform which is being offering to buy and sell vehicles using cryptocurrency without having to exchange them to fiat. They do not have to go for a long process of exchanging crypto to fiat, where assets slowly decrease through exchange and bank fees. But here you can buy cars through cryptocurrency with having tax-free funds. Second, where the it is impossible to find the car dealers where cars for sale that can be purchased using cryptocurrency. So Autoblock is a right platform for them to get assured for the car dealers on their portal where you can purchase vehicles using crypto directly. Now the third problem is where the access to an accuracy of vehicle data and valuation problem. Currently, the auto industry totally relies on monopolized data and valuation systems where the whole data is not being shared directly to the public and buyers wants to research everything before buying. So for this, the Autoblock is providing a decentralized global database which gives users immediate access to a wide range of vehicle valuation by age, mileage, and specifications, etc. So these are all about the problem and solution part. Now coming to their benefits, which are getting buyers and sellers. These are the benefits where they can purchase, buyers can purchase vehicles worldwide using the AutoCoin, providing lower transaction fees, which is fast and secure payment without any bank charges. Security against identity theft, where no credit card or bank details is being stored by third parties. The highest level of fraud prevention through blockchain technology. Outstanding choices of vehicles sale through their website autocoincars.com, and benefits for sellers. Here you can see providing free exposure of vehicles for sale worldwide through autocoincars.com, lower transaction fees, availability of easy worldwide payment options. So these are the benefits of this project. Now coming back to their white paper website, here you can see the token allocation where soft cap is 5000 ETH and hard cap is 40,000 ETH. And now about the team, these are the partners of this project: Civic, Waves, and Hyperlogic Fabric. And roadmap is provided till 2018. You can have a look on their website. And about the team, where Mustansar Iqbal, Mohammad Izzeldin, and Irina M. Cesari, they are the HOD, co-founder, and CEO of this project, where they have experience in expertise in marketing strategy, SEO, consulting, digital marketing, and blockchain technology. And they have also 6 advisors on board who are expertise in finance, digital marketing, and blockchain technology. So this is all about this project. For more detailed information, you can have a look on their website, theautoblock.com. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Crypto Diaries. Thank you.